Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends when you're watching that video. So the topic for today is going to be trigonometry. But trigonometry is a little bit vast. So we're going to start with the tangent ratio. We're going to start with tangent ratio. So what is a tangent ratio? We're not going to go too deep into the tangent. We're going to do the mathematical part. We're not going to do a history about tangent ratio. So, what is a tangent ratio? For trigonometry, for the tangent ratio, we deal with a right triangle. So, as you can see, there's a right angle. So, when you're dealing with tangent ratio, you have to be able to identify the different sides of the triangle. So, we always start with the right angle. From the right angle, we go straight across. It is the hypotenuse. So, SR is the hypotenuse. So, now, based on the problem, we're going to add two new vocabularies. So the next one, after the hypotenuse, but we're not going to use the hypotenuse in the tangent ratio. But you have to use it to identify the other sides. So the next side we're going to be identified, it's opposite sides, OPP, opposite, and adjacent sides. Adjacent side. So where's the opposite? So after we find the hypotenuse, we're going to find the opposite. So since we're looking for angle S, so we're going to be standing right there. So when we stand right there, that's where I'm standing at S. So the opposite side to S is TR. So TR is my opposite side. Okay, TR is my opposite side. So therefore, the triangle has three sides. So we know the hypotenuse, we know the opposite. The one that is left is adjacent. So to resume, we have to find the hypotenuse, right angle, identify the right angle. From the right angle, we go to hypotenuse. And then from the given angle, the angle where we're standing, S is the given angle, even though we don't know that value, but that's the angle we're looking for the tangent. So opposite to the S is going to be the opposite, and the last one would be the adjacent. So now, how I'm going to do it? So what is the value of the opposite side? The value of the opposite side to S is 80. What is the adjacent? 18. I put it in the calculator. 80 divided by 18 is 4.44. We're done with that. Okay, so now let's look at the second triangle. I want to find the tangent ratio for R. So if I'm standing at R, I'm going to be here. I'm not good at drawing, that's why I'm a math teacher. So I'm standing at R. So from R, I draw something going here. So that's going to be my opposite side. That's my opposite side. So my opposite side, now I got only one side left, which is the adjacent. So that's my adjacent. Now, tangent of R is opposite 18 over 80. When I put that in the calculator, 18 over 80, it gives me 0.225. As you can see, I got two angles. We don't touch the right angle we don't do the tangent of the right angle. We're not going to calculate that. So as you can see, one is the inverse of the other. Tangent of S is 80 over 18. Tangent of R is 18 over 80. So we flip it. So they're not going to be always the same. They have to be, when you find the first one, the other one is a flip version. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.